Here's how to remove a smoothie spill from your carpet. Step 1. Blot it right away with a clean white cloth. Press and lift, never rub. Step 2. Pour a small amount of cold water on the stain and blot again to dilute the sugars and color. Step 3. Mix cold water with a few drops of mild dish soap to break down the remaining residue. Step 4. Press the soap-damp cloth onto the stain, hold briefly, then lift straight up. Step 5. Let the area air dry completely before doing anything else. Step 6. Vacuum once to lift the fibers and remove any last trace of the stain. Run your hand over the carpet to feel the clean, fresh, restored fibers.